Hi, this is Michael. Today I am reviewing the FotoPro flexible tripod. It's right here. Comes with a couple things. Comes with a GoPro mount, and it also comes with a smartphone holder. So this will open up and let you put in your smartphone and attach it to the tripod just like that. There's the 1/4 inch mounting hole, and this does have the 1/4 inch screw on the tripod itself. This tripod also has an integrated ball joint in it. You just loosen up the lock here, and this lets you rotate this around 360 degrees. So that is very nice. Now, what I like about this tripod is, check this. Click, click, click. The legs lock into several different positions, but they're also completely flexible. You've seen these type of tripods before, but usually they have the round segments, many of those round segments. This sort of hides that from view, but what you do is you get a very functional, flexible tripod here that you can wrap around fence posts, hang it from a tree limb. You get the idea. It's just completely adjustable, and I love this thing. It just feels good in the hand, and I've never had much luck with those other type that have the circular rings on the legs. Maybe I just have not bought a good enough quality one or what, but they just never seem to hold up to me. But this, on the other hand, is fantastic, and I like the fact that they also give you a remote control so that you can put your smartphone on this using the provided clamp, and you've got a 1/4 inch mount on the end of it and also on the side of it, so you can have your phone in either portrait or landscape orientation. So get your phone in there. Let's get it in there. Once you get your camera activated, and once you have this paired by Bluetooth to your smartphone, you just need to press the button. Remotely, you can take a photo, and obviously that is great for selfies and also for lower light situations where you don't want the camera to be moving whatsoever. This little remote control is incredibly handy. So I am really liking this tripod. It is so useful, and it's just very flexible in how you can use it. Love this thing. Again, it's called the FotoPro Flexible Tripod, and I hope you like this thing as much as I do. If you have any questions about it, leave me a comment. I'll answer it if I can. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Have a great day.